could say that Yes Magazine started when Liza Gokongwei kept calling for 3 years running with this idea that she said her brother had, who noticed that there was no legit, glossy showbiz magazine in a country where showbiz is such a big thing. The first cover story was Miss Judy Ann Santos. She was single then. We shot in her home because we thought we didn't want to set up a movie star in a hotel, because what we wanted to do was a showbiz magazine, bring the star closer to the reader.
By year 2001, na-establish na ng Yes na celebrity homes sa Yes yan. Na-establish na pag-weddings, yung travels. Sa amin nag-umpisa yun sa amin na uso. Talaga ng showbiz at ng mga readers na iba yung Yes.
To build a name, I think, essentially, is to do good journalism. The rules of ethics, accuracy, fairness, balance. I would apply all those rules. I think the stars were beginning to trust us.
Nakakatuwa na yung mga maraming first nila, first din namin, nagkakasabay. Highlight ng 2003, yung Chris Aquino, Cory, na nagyayakapan. Gusto lang namin mangumusta, so pumunta kami doon.
I guess we just wanted to find out how she was. Maybe she wanted us to feel at home. She started to talk. This is the stuff that Yes can use when you think about it. We all had the instinct not to put out a tape recorder. No, it would not be proper. I said to Anna, let us just memorize this thing. If she says the word off the record, then we don't use any of it. If we don't hear that, we memorize. Kaya si Chris, hindi namin makakalimutan. It was 5 years of hard work before we hit 100,000. What we had on the cover was no face. Essentially, what we had was the house in Italy of Alex and Assunta De Rossi. The reason this is significant, I guess, is because it's very difficult to breach the 100,000 mark. Many magazines survive on 10,000, even 20,000. So the fact that we did 100K means we must have been doing something right by our readers. We had our first lawsuit at around this time. Test here was not just the lawsuit in itself, but how to maintain your integrity, your decorum as a journalist. And I think the fact that Yes just went on and did its job and has survived to celebrate the 15th anniversary, I think it means that maybe we did the right thing.
Masayang taon pala siya kasi maraming exclusive na masasayang stories. Sabi natin, sino magandang i-combine? Nag-isip kami sa Lucy Torres and Gretchen, yung parehong beauty fashion icon. Juday Ryan, umamin. Ito yung mga rare chance na nagko-cover kami na hindi pictorial. Pero dahil napaka-fresh, napaka-raw ng material, ang sarap niyang laruin sa cover, ang sarap din niyang isulat. Meron kami exclusive ng Gabby and Casey sa US, ang nagkita sila. So, yung mga ganyang litrato, precious yan sa fans, sa readers. At sa amin lang nila nakikita. Kung ano yung ikinakalma nung nagdaang taon, ito namang 2007, ang ingay pala. Pag tinitingnan mo yung mga covers, ang dami palang nangyaring issues nun. Yung 100th issue ng Yes, natapat sa November 2008. Meron naman kami exclusive na matagal namin niligawan. Tinatayo pa lang yung bahay, inaayos pa lang, kinakausap na namin.
Ang bait ni Ding Dong kasi nakakask pa yung kamay niya at lahat. Hindi niya kinancel ang shoot.
dito na yung engagement announcement ni Juday and Ryan. I'd like to believe na kung merong man naka-chronicle ng buhay ni Juday, I think yes yun.
We did a top 20 celebrity endorsers list with a lot of mathematics, a lot of interviews, many cross-checking. It is not easy, which is why we don't get to do it every year. In 2009, we also had another list, which was the 50 most powerful persons in showbiz. At that time, we even declared Willie Revillame as the most powerful star in showbiz. It was in that same year when Wawa Willie, our cover, goes on record as the highest selling circulation for our magazine. There were 300,000 copies printed. The year 2009 was made up of many highs, but on the other hand, we also had tragedy and sadness. Si Corazon Aquino namatay, umiyak ang buong bansa, and it happened 1 week before the Yes printing deadline. Siya ang ginawa naming main cover. We did a coverage of Ondoy. All these stories of personal courage to me were very important, and I wish Yes could do more of these stories.
Sa 10th year, pinapasok tayo sa bahay ni Mega. Pinapasok tayo sa bahay ni John Lloyd Cruz na napaka-elusive. Bahay ni Isa Calzado. At saka, bahay nga ni Jinky. First time kasi ng Yes mag-a-abroad para lang mag-coverage ng bahay ng isang celebrity. Noong 2010 din namin ginawa yung isa pang listahan, 20 stars who ruled the decade.
Sarah Tell-All. Lahat ng sources for that story talagang pinangalanan. So, sobrang daming interviews niyan.
Pagkakasulat niya, it's different people telling the same story. Our Nora on our cover was one of the most courageous covers that we had. We just presented Nora just the way she is. She asked to smoke while doing the shoot. We decided to go with it.
We got in trouble with the Philippine Medical Association. They said na we were promoting smoking. Hindi naman. Art siya. In 2012, this was the start pa lang of yung phenomenon ng selfie generation and social media. We wanted to do a list of the 20 most influential celebrities on social media. Nagiging barometer na siya ng mga advertisers din na kung sino yung kukunin nila to be their endorsers.
The first time Piolo appeared in the pages of Yes was in 2000. Pero yung biggest feature namin so far tungkol sa kanya is itong year na to, wherein we flew to LA and Las Vegas and then did photo shoots of his house. We got to know him and a side of him na hindi niya usually pinipresent din sa tao.
2013 was a year of firsts. We had Bea Alonso, Daniel Padilla, Dominic Coangco, si Riza May also appearing on the cover of Yes.
Memorable din this year yung wedding nila Zoran and Carmina.
First time na hindi alam ng bride na ikakasal siya. Kami alam namin na ikakasal siya hindi.
Yan kasi yung isang example din nung tinatawag namin yung ligawan. Yung Kim Eco, ganun din ang nangyari. Surprise kami na sa amin nga binigay.
Na exclusive.
Na exclusive kasi ayaw nila ng fanfare, ayaw nila ng TV special, ayaw nila ng ano. Gusto nila intimate lang talaga.
Sa mga covers this year, may kita mo rin yung bunga ng relationship between ng stars tsaka ng Yes.
Yung 2015, taunang I Do. Kasi ang dami talaga kinasal at ang dami pang naka-line up na ikakasal hanggang matapos ang taon. And we're lucky enough to get an exclusive dun sa Dongyan.
The Heart and Cheese wedding. Heart has always been on a yes cover. Me, I must commend yung tiyaga ni Candice at ni Ana to get the coverage for this one.
Aside from the I do's that were said during the weddings this year, one big I do that we had this year was a feature on Coco Martin's home.
Coco Martin, you must know, is a rags to riches boy. Kaya nung naging successful siya, talagang sabi namin, this guy worked for everything he's got today.
Our commitment to our readers is to continue to give them the best shots, the best visuals, the best graphics, the best way to tell our stories.
Sa Yes kasi, he always find ways to tell the story na mas creative. You capture how the star talks, yung mannerisms nila. That way, the readers feel na parang nakikilala nila talaga yung star.
Lumiliit yung mundo mo, so paano hahanap ka ngayon ng ibang paraan? Paano makakapasok dun sa mundong gusto mong i-present naman sa readers mo? So, dun naman siguro papasok yung relationship, at taon na prinove mo na ilahad mo naman yung storya nila ng maayos at tama.
When you look back 15 to 15 years of Yes, you know it's been sheer hard work. The highs came after the hard work. Now, for the next 15, I guess we will have to work harder. But I am hoping that we can enjoy ourselves a little more because it's really been very tough. What you see there looks effortless, I guess because we pruned away all the extraneous stuff. We're hoping that for the reader, they come to a stage where they understand that it takes a great deal of serious work. As Mr. Lacaba says, we take our entertainment seriously.